All right, hello students. This quick video will show you how to log into Canvas. Canvas is the platform where you access your assignments, your attendance, your grades, some of the classwork that you have to do in this course. To get to Canvas, you can see my screen, I'm sure. You basically go to your computer, you can search for Quincy College. You should probably click on the first link that you see there. It's going to take you to Quincy College, or maybe more specifically, you type Quincy College Portal. Quincy College Portal. All right, so Quincy College Portal, you click on the link there. It's going to bring you here. Now you can see that I have my name here and my password. Now you probably may not have yours. So what you want to do is, if you haven't done it already, you want to reach out to the administrator responsible for this course. They should have sent you some emails already. If not, you can ask your instructor who that person is and email them to ask for your username and your password. All right? Once you get your username and your password, you log in. So this is the Quincy College portal. What you see might look very similar to this after you log in. You can tell that you're logged in because you're going to see a little picture of a person here at the top right, asking you to log out and stuff like that. I'm fine. I don't want to log out. So where you want to go is you want to go to Canvas. More importantly, Canvas is, like I said, where you do your assignments, where you see your grades and your classwork. On the left side here, you scroll down if you need to, Canvas Online Access. You click that. Now, I clicked it and it brought me straight to this page. But before you get to this page, if you're logging to Canvas for the first time, which you probably are, you're going to see a couple of boxes that says to accept the terms and the conditions and to agree. Once you click all those boxes to accept and to agree, it's going to bring you to a page similar to this. You're going to see some, depends on how many courses you are enrolled for, you're going to see some boxes here. You want to look down at the description to see which is your course. Once you click into that, your course, well, the view you're seeing right now is my view as an instructor. The view you are going to see is probably going to look like this, something like this. So you can, on the left side, you have the navigation. You click on the home button here. You see some information. You can click on getting started to navigate the site, or you can go to syllabus here. That's the syllabus for the course. It's going to open up. You can look at that. You can go to modules. A lot of the work you're going to do is going to be under modules, right? So click on modules. You're going to see some welcome information, some information about technical support, and you're going to see a list of your assignments and your participation here. So you want to click on the assignment to, depending on the instructions you have, right? Now, when you're done, let me see if I can show you this. So let's say you're done with this assignment and you want to, depends on how you've been asked to submit it. You might see, for example, if I scroll down here, let's just say I type, just a random 1, 2, 3. All right. Now it says I can submit here. So sometimes you can type directly or you have to attach the file. So this particular assignment asks me to just type directly. It says that here. It says type in the box below. So this assignment asks me to type in the box. But other assignments, you might have to attach a file, right? Maybe you did the work in Microsoft Word or in Microsoft Excel on your computer. So there will be an upload button. Once you click the upload button, then you're going to see this submit assignment, right? And all you do is you click on submit the assignment, where you can see some confetti and, nice things dropping. You might see that or not. But then once you submit that, you can see that you submitted that. If you go to your grades, I'm not sure I can show you much of the grades. Yeah, you might see that your assignment is submitted, or you contact your professor to ask about your grades. All right. So basically, that's it. Again, you let me exit out of here. Again, easy to just do a search like we did for Quincy College portal, and from there, you go to the Quincy College portal, you sign in. If you don't have your login, contact your administrator or talk to your professor. Once you do that, you click on Canvas here and you follow the process. If you don't understand anything or you're a little bit confused about this very brief description, you can rewind the video, watch it again, and follow the descriptions, and you should be able to get into Canvas and begin your classwork without any problem. Okay? All right. Enjoy the rest of your day.